Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to teach you about PLCs and automation. PLC stands for Programmable Logic Controller. It's language that's used to control industrial machines and processes. PLCs are used in a wide variety of industries, including manufacturing, food and beverage, and healthcare. There are a lot of different programming languages that can be used with PLCs, but the most common are ladder logic, STL, structured text logic, FBD, function block diagram, SCL, structured control language, and SFC, sequential function chart. Ladder logic is the most popular PLC programming language. It's a graphical language that's easy to understand, even for beginners. In this series, we'll be starting with ladder logic, and then we'll move on to STL, FBD, SCL, and SFC. If you're new to PLCs, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you learn everything you need to know about PLC programming and automation. So keep following, and hit that subscribe button for more.